Alright, welcome back to Moans Labs. Today we have kind of a mismatch video. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this video just yet, but it's the start of Omaha Bike Week, so we have a lot of stuff planned from Thursday to next Sunday. Like today's Thursday, so tonight is Throttle Thursday at Dillon Brothers in Omaha, and Dat is going to ride his brand new 2024 ZX10R up to Dillon Brothers and put it on the dyno, so we're going to see what it makes for power stock before, and he talked to me a little bit. He's got some stuff kind of worked out for this fall and this winter, and we're gonna put some mods on it, see what kind of horsepower gains we can make out of that bike. But the rest of today, at least until he gets here, is I have some stuff to work on the Harley again, because you guys know I'm always working on this Harley. So we have basically what we're doing is we got a Motion Pro clutch cable, because I got a nick right about here. It just leaks. Basically, I'm just trying to fix all the leaks on this thing, which I know is kind of a uphill battle with these Harleys, but I know I got a new cable, I got a new derby cover that's all black, new gaskets, new primary cover, which is going to look sick. I think it's going to start matching around here. It's going to look sweet. It's going to darken it up. Thank you, Drag Specialties and TC Bros. Got a new Barnett clutch here I can throw in. And yeah, just basically the whole, shebang here, just on the side. Gonna probably have to end up doing some brake pads soon, maybe a rotor, I don't know just yet, but I'm kind of just feeling it out. I got to straighten this wheel out a little bit, 'cause chain stretched and it wasn't tight, so it's kind of cockeyed. But that's basically the job for today. New tail light went on, and we got that kind of wired in. That way I don't have it falling off in traffic and right there, whatever. Little stuff like that. I got to find a better way to string this thing up here, though, because it was a nightmare trying to get this thing up here by myself. And it's just heavy. I'm getting too old for this. The tank rattles a little bit, so I got to put some rubber dampeners underneath somewhere, or something just to make it, because you'll be riding it and it just buzzes, and I don't really like that. So maybe throw some new grips on. These are getting kind of wore out, but we got our work cut out for us today. So probably just going to put you guys right here and aim it there, and when Dat gets here, we'll go shoot that part of the video, and today's just kind of working video on this thing, so let's get to it. Panhead's pretty sweet. Oh, the Sportster, I mean. That's sick. This is sick too, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a fan of that.
Walk past your boys.
Huh?
You just walk past your boys.
Oh, I'll talk to him in a minute.
No, fuck you. Dude, there's nowhere to park.
No, they made me park around. Damn, it's a good showing. It's probably the busiest I've ever seen it, not gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie, I already ran it.
The fuck?
But I'll do it again just for you.
Alright, so we got Dad's chintzy ass ZX10 up here. Go drop a hate comment below. Here. I don't know.
Miles per hour.
This is my first one I've watched. That's what I think it is.
Another one. Power.
You can't read them.
Temperature.
It'll change to the graph when it's done.
I think that's miles per hour.
156
miles per hour. That's not horsepower, right?
horsepower. Yeah. Your thoughts on that, sir?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad. I'm anxious to see the miles per hour.
That's what's on the gauge.
Yeah, right below it.
Got the AK tune.
180 miles an hour.
192.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. We got Dat's sheet here.
Strap around the rear wheel.
Through the smoke, into the brake.
It's pretty good for stock.
Goes straight through his leg.
All right, so we got some numbers on Dat's ZX10, and we saw an R1 go, we saw a couple S1000s go. They all kind of about make the same, but it was a good showing. Saw a couple Harleys go. Saturday at Bushwhackers in Omaha, we had a stunt show that we're doing with Filthy Roosters, so be there. Be on the lookout for that video. It should be a good time. And Sunday at the Drinkery, we should have another show. So good showing. Our bikes